Guangzhou Baiyuanrun Cosmetic Factory, a wholly owned subsidiary of Guangdong Rhine Biological Technology Company Limited. First floor and fourth floor, number 18, Liangyuan 2nd Road, Zhongluotan Town, Baiyuan District, was founded in 1998. It is a cosmetic brand service provider, integrating product planning, formulation research and development, manufacturing, efficacy testing, and domestic and foreign trade. It has passed GMPC, ISO 22716, and other system certifications, and won the title of National High-Tech Enterprise. We combine advanced production equipment and data management system at home and abroad, and constantly promote lean production mode and industrialization 4.0. To achieve the construction of quality can be regulated, sustainable optimization, visual, quantifiable, traceable smart factory. We have developed hundreds of invention patents in cooperation with the Skin Health Research Institute and applied for more than 50 national makeup certificates, providing professional, overall solutions for major brands from waist to head. Support of our own reliable gene. We continue to promote high-grade research and development, authoritative efficacy verification, intelligent manufacturing upgrading, personalized customization, brand operation to help customers achieve satisfactory. Our vision is live 103 years, continue to lead the future of the industry, the 65 plan to change the lives of 200 million users. Hope you can work with us hand in hand, win-win cooperation.